Okay, now we go back to our dashboard here. We're going to create other two ranges. Okay, and the first one is this one, reopen rate, this one. This. So then we are going to do this, reopen rate, and I copy this, and formulas, the file name, reopen rate. I'm gonna paste this. Okay, and for the result tickets, I'm going to do this, copy the file name. Okay, here we are. Now we are going to create a formula. Again, sorry, a chart, selecting this, control, and then you keep the mouse dragged. I'm gonna click on insert, line charts. Okay, select data, tickets closed is tickets closed. The second one is reopen rate, sorry, with this underscore, and this one is resolved tickets. Okay, and this one is chart underscore dates, and here we are. Okay, so now I need to understand what happened with our data. I'm going to select all. Okay, you see also this is going to change, and I have this one. Okay, this is the closed ticket. Okay, that is very bad, of course. I'm gonna cut this on the dashboard, I paste it here. Okay, I'm gonna put it like this. To create also here chart title, where this is equal to, in this if I'm going to change this date, I get this. If I'm going to change market, this is going to change as well. Italy, Netherlands, you see, you have different. Okay, so this you have. Okay, now we're going to create the closing rate. So we're going to create the closing ticket rate graph, which is linear, and closing and resolving ticket rate you can do for yourself. Okay, if I take, you have this, and the last one is tickets closed. Okay, this is an exercise for you. Okay,